Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best laptop cooling pads.
Starting at number 5.
KLIM Cool Metal. Cooling pads are great, but you often lose the on-the-go portability of your laptop when you use them. The KLIM Cool Plus is a nifty, compact external air vacuum that remedies this issue while still boosting the cooling capabilities of your machine. It attaches using suction cup sleeves to the exhaust port of your laptop, pulling even more air through, though it only works with laptops toting side or back air exhaust vents and should only be used on a flat surface. There are also some other size restrictions to make note of before purchasing. The KLIM Cool Plus has different operating modes that let it run silently for light cooling or kick it into high gear when pushing your laptop to the extreme. In total, it delivers 4,500 RPM to drop your laptop's temperature quickly, which you can see on the digital temperature display. The device's durable metal structure even acts as a heatsink, taking the heat away from your laptop's precious internals.
Coming at number 4.
Targus 17-inch. If it ain't broke, don't fix it applies perfectly to the Targus Lap Chill Mat, which has been keeping our laptops and laps cool for over a decade. This straightforward cooler rests comfortably on your lap for hours thanks to the pad's lightweight, and the neoprene material on its bottom acts as cushioning. If you're worried about your laptop sliding all around as your thighs aren't the flattest surface, a rubberized grip and little notches on the stand surface ensure it stays in place. As for heat dissipation, a mesh surface and hollow chamber in the middle of the mat allow fresh air to enter from beneath the laptop, while hot air can easily escape. Furthering airflow is a pair of built-in fans ready to pump fresh air near the back edge of the laptop where the CPU and GPU often sit, thus the hottest and most important parts of the machine. And the handy addition of a 4-port USB hub makes plugging in extra peripherals a breeze, while Velcro straps keep those cables organized.
At number 3.
TopMate C5 12. Need tons of airflow? Then a whole bunch of fans is the way to go, and the TopMate C5 laptop cooler packs in 5, a 140mm fan at the center and 470mm fans surrounding it. With all those fans running simultaneously alongside a metal mesh surface, cool air will push against the laptop base, keeping your thermals in check. You aren't limited to just one speed either, as a tiny LCD control panel lets you run several cooling modes and displays wind speed. Aside from the insane cooling power of the TopMate C5, you also get a few extras starting with 5 height adjustments for more ergonomic positioning. Laptops up to 15.6 inches should fit perfectly on the stand, though you can always throw a gaming console on it to prevent overheating. And adding to its convenience are 2 USB 2.0 ports, one to plug into your laptop for power and the other for your computer's peripherals.
Number 2 of my list.
KLIM Ultimate Plus RGB. If you just scored an awesome gaming laptop deal, you're going to need a cooling pad, like the KLIM Ultimate, to keep its internals in tip-top shape. Set behind a metal grid panel, it comes ready for all your gaming needs with a big 200mm fan that can run at a quiet 750 RPM while still providing plenty of airflow. Fan speed can always be turned down depending on your needs using a handy control panel, but there might not be a point since it runs silently at full speed. On top of being a practical heat dissipation solution, the KLIM Ultimate will really amp up your portable gaming setup. You can comfortably rest your laptops up to 17 inches, but your 19-inch devices or even consoles will fit, while there are 4 different inclination levels for easier viewing. It doesn't stop there, as no gaming accessory is complete without RGB lighting, and this cooling pad's flashy RGB light strip wraps around the entire circumference of the device, offering 7 different colors and 5 lighting effects.
And number 1.
Thermaltake Massive 20. Laptops are very limited when it comes to cooling, and that's where the Thermaltake Massive 20 RGB comes in handy to push that hot air away from your laptop. With it comes a metal mesh surface for ample airflow, especially when compared to the desk or lap it's usually plopped on, while a 200mm fan moves plenty of air. That fan is also adjustable, letting you go for max cooling or silence by turning a knob on the pad. If you're wondering about its ergonomics, you can change the Thermaltake massive 20 RGB's height to 3 levels for the ultimate viewing and typing angle. It's even ready for chunky devices, holding laptops up to 19 inches. And as the name suggests, there's a stylish taste of RGB lighting all around the edge with multiple lighting modes and colors that are all adjusted using a control panel on the pad.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.